Hello. Today I expect to receive two rugs, one from Mrs. Sarah and one from Virginia, a supersized heavy rug. But it will be probably tomorrow. Let me tell you the story about prey rug. Why prey rug is one of the hardest rug to clean in the market, and especially when the pet using it not in a proper way. The prey rug made with a very durable material, very strong cotton that will hold for generation because it is a prey rug. A rug that's supposed to go from father to son, from son to father, and will stay for generation with a lot of abuse and respect to the quality. Prey rug made with a high quality wool, and it is a beautiful piece. What's make the prey rug so difficult to clean and remove the urine odor? The rug, it's made with 250 stitches per square inch. Very tight, so the water cannot penetrate easily like a big rug. It takes 90 seconds for every cycle to wash the rug. The rug stay on my vacuum floor for more than 3 hours. This tiny rug take 3 hours to clean and remove all the dog urine odor. And of course, when the tube is clean, I finish the cleaning process. I brush the rug by hand, it's my exercise, and let the rug dry on the floor flat. Like this, the color will never run. This is a very unique prey rug, one way, and I really like it. And I'm sure Mrs. Sarah will be amazed when she will see it. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.